Brad here from Friendly Fires, and we're going to talk about the Osburn Matrix insert. Have you got a drafty old fireplace that's letting cold in or doesn't light very well? Take it and convert it with this new modern looking fireplace insert. Take something that's old and outdated and make it modern. The great thing about the Matrix insert is it has a lifetime warranty on the glass, whether it gets thermal breakage or punctures. With its cast iron surround and doors, it really accentuates any fireplace and makes it the centerpiece of your home. Also, its door handle is a nice tight latching system. The inside of the firebox has military grade stainless steel tubes, as well as a compressed C-cast baffle that is designed to last a very, very long time. It's also designed to meet the new 2020 EPA standard at 1.5 grams per hour. It's 2.3 cubic foot firebox size, which allows you to put in up to 20-inch log length, hold the fire all night or up to 8 hours, and it's designed to heat up to 2,100 square feet depending on the temperatures outside. It comes standard with a blower to help get the heat out of the fireplace cavity and into your room. Take that old drafty fireplace and turn it into something that's more environmentally friendly, more efficient, and a heat producer that'll be the centerpiece of your home for years to come.